Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Alright, today we're going to be learning 6 Italian greetings. These will come in handy if you obviously have to greet somebody, whether it's in the morning, middle of the day or in the evening. Alright, the first one is buongiorno, okay? Good morning. The second one, buonasera, good evening. Next one is ciao, which means hi or bye. The next one is buonanotte, which means good night. The next one, a presto, which means see you later, see you soon. And the last one is arrivederci, which means goodbye. Okay, so these are greetings that are commonly used in Italian. There is another one where I think it's more of a colloquial greeting, and when I was in Italy I used to hear it a lot. It was salve, which is just a way to say hi to somebody. So next time you're greeting somebody, whether it's in the morning, middle of the day, in the evening, you can start to use those greetings that you've just learned. So one more time, you've got buongiorno. So repeat after me. Buongiorno, buonasera, ciao, buonanotte, a presto, and arrivederci. Okay, so try them out today. Maybe you could practice saying those numbers that you learnt from my previous video, as well as the colors. Okay, now in Italian, it's really probably going to be a bit tricky to put numbers, colors, and greetings all in one sentence without getting deeper into the grammar side of things, where the important thing about Italian is that it's very gender-based, okay? So most words in Italian will either be masculine, where they end in O, the letter O, or they will be feminine words where they end in the letter A. So I think the next lesson I will focus on maybe creating those simple sentences where you're going to be learning about the gender and also singular and plural, because the words and their endings kind of change and you have to sort of know what the rules are. All right, so, have fun with these greetings. Again, let's try them one more time. Buongiorno, buonasera, ciao, buonanotte, a presto, and arrivederci. Okay, these are your Italian greetings, and I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you have, and thanks for watching. Thanks.